Welcome to Lake Garda, Italy's largest and most breathtaking lake. Nestled between the Alps and rolling vineyards, this shimmering gem attracts millions of travelers every year. All along its shores, you'll find towns so charming they look like they belong on a postcard. In this video, we're exploring the 7 most beautiful towns on Lake Garda, each with its own history, culture, and unforgettable scenery. Make sure to stay until the end, because the #1 spot is often called the Pearl of Lake Garda. And once you see it, you'll understand why. 7. Lazise. Our journey begins in Lazise, one of the oldest towns on the lake and a place where history comes alive. Enclosed by beautifully preserved medieval walls and guarded by tall stone towers, Lazise feels like stepping back into another era. Stroll through its narrow cobbled streets and you'll discover artisan shops, traditional trattorias, and lively piazzas filled with locals and visitors alike. One of its highlights is the Lago Marconi, a lakeside promenade lined with colorful cafes and restaurants. The perfect spot to sip an aperitivo while watching the golden sunset over the water. Don't forget the picturesque harbor, dotted with small fishing boats that bob gently in the water, a true postcard scene. Lazise is a blend of history, romance, and relaxation all in one. 6. Desenzano del Garda. Next is Desenzano del Garda, the largest town on Lake Garda and a vibrant hub of culture, shopping, and nightlife. Unlike the quieter villages, Desenzano is full of energy. Its wide squares, chic boutiques, and stylish cafes make it a favorite for travelers who love a lively atmosphere. Start your visit in Piazza Malvezzi, the beating heart of the town, surrounded by elegant Venetian-style buildings. Explore the Castello di Desenzano, a medieval fortress that offers sweeping views of the lake, or step back in time at the Roman villa, where beautifully preserved mosaics tell stories dating back to the 4th century. By night, the waterfront promenade comes alive with music, restaurants, and bars, making Desenzano the perfect mix of history, culture, and entertainment. 5. Garda. The town of Garda gave the entire lake its name, and it's easy to see why it holds such significance. This charming destination offers a traditional Italian atmosphere, with lively piazzas, bustling markets, and cozy lakeside cafes. One of its crown jewels is Punta San Vigilio, a peaceful peninsula just outside the town. Known as one of the most romantic spots on Lake Garda, it's a haven of serenity where cypress trees frame the sparkling water. Visitors often come here for a quiet swim or simply to watch the lake shimmer at sunset. With its timeless beauty and cozy atmosphere, Garda is a town that captures the heart. 4. Salò. Elegant and sophisticated, Salò is known for its refined charm and cultural treasures. Its waterfront promenade, Lago Zanardelli, is one of the longest on the lake, stretching gracefully along the shoreline. As you walk, you'll pass grand historic buildings, boutique shops, and lush gardens bursting with color. History lovers will enjoy the Duomo di Salò, a stunning Gothic Renaissance cathedral, and the MUSA Museum, which tells the story of the town's rich past. Salò strikes the perfect balance between culture and relaxation. It's a place where you can soak in history by day and enjoy peaceful lakefront evenings as the sun sets. 3. Riva del Garda. At the northern tip of Lake Garda lies Riva del Garda, a town surrounded by dramatic mountains and crystal-clear waters. Known as a paradise for adventurers, this destination is perfect for those who love the outdoors. From windsurfing and sailing to hiking trails that climb into the mountains, Riva del Garda is a playground for nature lovers. The town's lively center is Piazza 3 Novembre, lined with colorful facades and overlooked by the Torre Aponale, a medieval tower that rewards climbers with panoramic views of the lake. Another highlight is the Mag Museum, located in the fortress of Rocca di Riva, where you can explore the fascinating history of the region. With its breathtaking scenery and endless activities, Riva del Garda is an adventurer's dream. 2. Bardolino. If there's one town that perfectly combines beauty and flavor, it's Bardolino. Famous worldwide for its wine, Bardolino invites you to stroll along its lakeside promenade, which links the town to its neighbors with a picturesque pathway. Wander through Bardolino's streets, and you'll discover inviting trattorias and welcoming wine bars, perfect places to sample the town's renowned Bardolino red wine. Visit the Chiesa di San Zeno, an 11th century Romanesque church that offers a glimpse into Bardolino's deep-rooted history. Whether you're here for the food, the wine, or the views, Bardolino delivers a unique and unforgettable experience. 1. Sirmione. And finally, we arrive at Sirmione, often called the Pearl of Lake Garda. This magical peninsula stretches dramatically into the lake, creating one of the most enchanting destinations in all of Italy. As you cross the drawbridge, you're greeted by the fairy tale-like Scaligere Castle, a perfectly preserved 13th century fortress surrounded by water. Inside the old town, cobblestone streets wind between gelaterias, boutiques, and charming cafes. But Sirmione is more than just charm. It's also famous for its thermal springs, which have been attracting visitors since Roman times. Speaking of Romans, the ancient Grotta di Catullo ruins sit at the tip of the peninsula, offering breathtaking views of the lake alongside a glimpse into history. Sirmione is romance, history, and natural beauty all in one. And it's easy to see why it's considered Lake Garda's crown jewel. And that concludes our journey through the 7 most beautiful towns on Lake Garda. From medieval castles and Roman villas to vibrant promenades and world-famous wine, this lake truly offers something for everyone. So, which town would you love to visit first? The medieval charm of Lazise, the lively energy of Desenzano, or the fairy tale magic of Sirmione? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this tour of Lake Garda, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell for more travel inspiration. I share new destinations, hidden gems, and travel tips every week to help you plan your perfect adventure. Until next time, keep exploring because the world is waiting for you.